So in today's video, we are going to see 6 different recruitment opportunities, 6 exciting recruitment opportunities. So please watch this video completely till the end, because if you are somebody who is looking for a job opportunity, then definitely you can find a suitable position or a job opportunity in today's video, because there is indeed 6 different job opportunities in today's video. So please watch the video completely till the end, then go to the description and start applying. Okay, so let's see the recruitments one by one. There are different companies: TCS, Capgemini, Indigo Airlines, PhonePe, DXC Technologies, and Wipro. So let's see from TCS onwards. Okay, so the first recruitment we are going to see is from TCS. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and share the channel with your friends. So let's see the recruitment from TCS. So TCS next step registrations are open now. If you are interested in working with IT category or BPS category, there is 2 different categories of recruitments which are active. Here, what you have to do is you have to register under IT or BPS. Now, if you are from any stream or any graduation background, you can definitely find an opening here, or you can apply here. Okay, so this is IT, the description. You can read out the description and you can start applying. So while click on this green icon itself, only then you can proceed to the application process. The first thing you have to do is verification of your email. So what you have to do is you have to enter the valid email address, and they will be sending an OTP to your mail ID. Then you have to enter that OTP and then proceed with the application process. Okay. Now, one thing I want to suggest is you should be having an Aadhaar card to apply here, because they are asking you for entering the Aadhaar number. Okay, so everybody in India has an Aadhaar card or an Aadhaar number. So you need to enter that. It should be valid, and then proceed to the application form. So the application is very basic. You have to enter your details like name, your educational qualifications, your experience if you are having any skills, and also its resume. Okay, so TCS next step is the portal which everybody is going to when applying to TCS registrations. So you can also apply here. It is very much applicable and it is open now. Okay, so that is the first recruitment, which is from TCS. The next recruitment we are going to see is from Indigo Airlines. They are hiring for trainee post, and it is for applied analytics program. It is a non-coding job and it is not a cabin crew job. If you are not looking for cabin crew, then you can skip this one, because it is not for cabin crew. And many people are not interested in cabin crew, but some thing in the other than that. So here, this is a trainee announcement, and you can see the date of posting, which is March 10th, 2023. So very recent recruitment it is. The requirements is bachelor degree in business, economics, statistics, engineering, or any STEM. So basically all kind of bachelor degrees are eligible for this. Other than that, they are asking for a knowledge of Microsoft Office, Excel in PowerPoint, communication skill. These are the required skills. Okay. So you should be having some competencies which are behavioral competencies like ambiguity, information communication, identifying, reporting, initiative, focus, some behavioral skills which any company is looking for in their fresher. So you should be having these behavioral skills. So that is the recruitment update from Indigo. Next, proceeding to the next recruitment, which is from DXC Technologies. So DXC Technologies is hiring associate professional test engineer. So it is a testing related job, and the location is Hyderabad. Now let's proceed to what is the skills required. So basic qualification is bachelor degree or equivalent combination of education and experience. There is no specification on stream or anything as such. So you can be from BCom, you can be from some other background, but if you are interested in working with testing, you can definitely apply. See, they have given 0 or more years of network testing experience. So this is a network testing job, and they are asking for knowledge of operating system, TCP/IP protocol, scripting languages, TCL, Perl, HP, etc. So there is 0 years of experience they are asking. Don't worry if you don't have an experience. You can definitely apply. They'll be giving you a very good on-job training, and with the help of that, you can definitely do this job. Okay. So that is the recruitment opportunity from DXC Technologies. The next recruitment we are going to see is from the very famous Capgemini. They are hiring for people from all the circuital branches. So if somebody who is watching this channel is from electronics background, a lot of people are from electronics background only. So there is a very good news. If you have an MTech degree and if your year of pass out is 21, 22, then this is an off-campus try for MEM Tech background people with the year of pass out 2021, 2022. Okay, let's see what is the recruitment. So this is Capgemini hiring for tech geeks or AI ML. Area is artificial intelligence, machine learning. I would strongly recommend this recruitment. Why? Because artificial intelligence and machine learnings are two booming areas and it is the current trend. So if you could somehow get placed in this area, there is a lot of scope for career growth in this area. Okay, so you can definitely apply for this if you are interested. So now proceeding to the eligibility criteria, which is MEM Tech, circuital branches 2021-2022, 60% masters, graduation, 12th, diploma and 10th. Good knowledge with any AI, ML, Python, data science. Okay, aptitude skills, the good aptitude, good attitude is required, good knowledge of AI, ML, Python, data science, very good communication skill. The process of selection is like this. Round 1 is online assessment. Round 2 is tech round. You can expect some artificial intelligence or machine learning questions in round 2. Round 3 is managerial round. Round 4 is HR round. So be aware of this process. Just scroll down and you can fill this form. Okay. So that is all about the off-campus hiring from Capgemini. If you are interested, please do apply here. The next recruitment we are going to see is from PhonePe. I hardly takes 2 minutes or 1 minute for every recruitment. So please don't skip the video because there are some vital informations you need to know before applying. Okay. So they are hiring for graduate trainee. Now PhonePe, talking about this company, is a payments platform. Especially after Corona, a lot of payments platforms has grown or they have come up because a lot of people are depending on digital payments or digital transactions. So they are hiring for graduate trainee. Bangalore is the location. Let's see what is the requirement. Here they have not given like any specific skills or something, but they have given what is the educational requirements. So let's see that. So you should be having written and verbal communication skills. So for all the recruitments, for all the companies, your communication skill should be good. If you are not having good communication skill, this is a strong advice. Please improve your communication skill. Ability to multitask, work on diverse range of requirements. Educational requirement is bachelor degree in engineering, computer science, math, statistics or related discipline from a reputed institute or an MBA. So mostly all all bachelor degree is eligible here, either engineering or science or maths or related discipline. So mostly all people are eligible and also MBA is eligible. So everybody comes under this. Okay. You should be having strong problem solving skill, analytical skill, Excel, again, Microsoft Excel knowledge and scripting language knowledge. Understanding of insurance would be an added advantage. They are not asking for any years of experience because the post is for a trainee, graduate trainee. Okay. So if you are interested, please click on this apply now icon and you can proceed to the application form. Okay. The last recruitment we are seeing in today's video is from Wipro. They are hiring for system engineer. System engineer is a job which is having some responsibilities towards customer service and also some technical knowledge. Here they have mainly emphasized on the customer service. You should be troubleshooting some operating systems, like tech support related job is also there. So you need to troubleshoot operating systems, Windows, Outlook, Teams, VDI, Critics, etc. And also you should be handling customer emails, customer calls, resolve the problems of customers. And also you need to document the call information after your, talking with the customers. Okay. These are the job responsibilities. There is no requirement of any experience or any specific stream of education. So mostly any graduate is eligible for this. You need to have some technical knowledge. Yeah. Otherwise, you will be having trouble in doing this, troubleshooting related job. Yeah. So the location is Hyderabad, and if you're interested in working with Wipro, you can definitely apply here. So that's all for today's video. We have seen 6 different recruitment opportunities, and all the links I'll be putting in description. A lot of people are following the channel for job opportunities. If you're finding the channel content useful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.